Hello everyone. In this lecture, we'll learn about telepathy in relationships and trust building. Think about a relationship in your life that feels easy, where conversations flow, where silence isn't awkward, where you feel understood, even without explaining everything. Now ask yourself, what makes that connection feel so natural? In close relationships, you might notice finishing each other's sentences, knowing what the other person needs, sensing when something is wrong, feeling in sync without trying. And often people describe this as we are on the same wavelength. But what's really happening is deep familiarity, emotional awareness, consistent attention over time. Trust is the foundation. Without trust, even clear signals get misinterpreted. But with trust, you relax, you listen better, you become more open, and this openness allows better understanding, fewer misunderstandings, and stronger connection. So, before anything else, trust creates the space for deeper communication. How awareness builds trust. When you pay attention to someone, notice their emotions, respond with care, they feel seen, heard, understood, and over time, this builds trust naturally, not through effort, but through consistency. Try this in your next interaction. Instead of thinking about what to say next, getting distracted, do this. Fully listen, notice tone and emotion, and stay present. Even for a few minutes, you will feel the difference. Next is silent understanding. As trust and awareness grow, you will notice less need for explanation, more intuitive responses, faster emotional understanding, and this creates that feeling of knowing without words. What to avoid? Be careful of assuming you always know what the other person feels, overinterpreting signals, and not communicating when needed. Awareness supports communication, doesn't replace it. Let's do a small reflection. Think of someone you trust deeply. Ask yourself, what makes that trust strong? How do I feel in their presence? Notice the connection. That's what we are building consciously. You don't need to read minds to build strong relationships. You need to pay attention, stay present, build trust over time. Because when trust and awareness come together, understanding becomes effortless. And that's what people often experience as something deeper, something almost like telepathy. In the next lesson, we'll expand this ability further, enhancing intuition for decision making so you can use awareness in practical, everyday choices. I'll see you there.